Hi guys, we've got our hitch mounted bike rack finished, so I thought I'd give you a bit of a look at it. So there's the ramp with eye bolts on there and that bungee strap so they can't come undone. On the front of the ramp has got some cool little tabs that locate into these holes here so that they can't accidentally come out while you're using it. We got a complete light kit from MX store, which made it a bit easier, but you can also, if you wanted to, you can make your own out of individual parts, because this will be used on both of our cars. Made that spring-loaded thing. Obviously you put a different number plate on either side, and just for a little bit more detail, got a 3D printed cap made for the end. On here we've got a support for the stand. When you're loading the bike, especially on your own, it's pretty handy if you can just lean the bike over on that. Got these extra little straps here with these cool little roll lock pins. Those pins don't release down there until you push on the button, so they're pretty cool. So you see that doesn't go in until I push on the button, and then it goes in. Got our tie downs here from J&R Motorsports. I like these because they've got the soft loop up there, so it doesn't damage anything. And that's the front of the ramp. Those funky shaped things locate into the other end and they can't come out. So yeah, that's pretty much it.